And it's a very pious day today, an auspicious one. It's Mahashivratri today. We are taking you straight to the holy city of Prayagraj, gathering the latest on the final day of Mahakumbh as well. Hundreds of thousands of devotees gathered at Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj early today on Feb 26, 2025 for the final holy dip of the Mahakumbh Mela on the auspicious occasion of Mahashivratri. Devotees began arriving at the Triveni Sangam as early as midnight, camping along the ghats and waiting patiently for the opportune moment to immerse themselves in the holy waters. Now this marks the culmination of the 6-week-long spiritual congregation held once every 144 years and believed to grant quote-unquote moksha or salvation to the devotees. Over 1 crore devotees are expected to take the holy dip at the Sangam on Mahashivratri, which is today, pushing the number of devotees who have taken a dip beyond 65 crore, a number surpassing the population of several countries across the world. The UP government reported that 1.33 crore devotees took the holy dip on Tuesday alone, setting the stage for an even larger gathering on the final day. In fact, Uttar Pradesh's Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also extended his heartfelt wishes to the devotees, saints and Kalpavasis, expressing his prayers for blessings from Lord Shiva and Mother Ganga. To manage the massive influx of pilgrims, authorities implemented stringent security and logistical measures. The entire Mela area has been declared a quote-unquote no-vehicle zone, and VIP treatment was also suspended to ensure equal access for all the devotees. In fact, over 60 trains, including special Mela trains, deployed to facilitate the movement of pilgrims with additional security at key railway stations. Surveillance drones, AI-enabled CCTV cameras and command centers were also set up to monitor the event in real time. Medical teams, emergency response units and disaster management forces have also been stationed strategically to ensure the safety and well-being of all the devotees. So those are the visuals pouring in as far as the 6 weeks long Mahakumbh of year 2025 is concerned. We saw a massive gathering there at Prayagraj. People thronging from all parts of life, from all corners of the world, coming to the Sangam to take that holy dip in order to find that moksha or salvation. It holds a big spiritual significance in the Hindu Dharma. Today is the final day. It's the Mahashivratri, a very auspicious day. We are expecting a huge gathering flocking to the ghats of Sangam. Over 60 trains, including special Mela trains, deployed to facilitate the movement of pilgrims, with additional security at the key railway stations as well. In terms of the security, surveillance drones have been positioned, AI-enabled CCTV cameras are there. The command centers were also set up to ensure nothing untoward happens today on the final day when a massive gathering is expected. The event has already begun, in fact.
So nobody wants to miss out on this opportunity. Traditionally, the people of the city of Prayagraj, they are also visiting this snan in huge numbers, and that is why since midnight we are seeing a huge inflow of pilgrims. But because of our schemes, there is a very convenient outflow also, and everyone is feeling glad to be part of this occasion of Mahashivratri. They are also visiting the Shiv Mandirs in the Mahakumbh area.
In fact, these are the live visuals that we have got from Prayagraj. You can clearly see the influx of devotees over there at the ghats for the final day of Mahakumbh 2025, a very pious one, a very important one in the Hindu culture, as we know that after 144 years, this opportunity has come for the devotees to celebrate the 6 weeks long Mahakumbh, and today is the conclusion of this particular event. It's the final day, it's a pious day of Mahashivratri. Like the SSP also said, people would not want to miss out on this opportunity to take the dip. of this Mahakumbh. In fact, as we were speaking about the influx and how thousands of devotees have thronged to the ghats, to manage this particular influx of the pilgrims, the authorities are on alert. They have implemented many stringent security actions and logistical measures for the movement to be as smooth as possible.